Hey, this is James Francis, and in this video I'm going to dispel a massive myth for you, okay? This myth will just have you spinning your wheels over and over and over again for eternity, trying to make some kind of profit online and getting nowhere. And that myth is, drumroll please, is actually having more than one website. I know, you've been told by all of the gurus and all of the experts that the more websites you have, the more money you're gonna make, because somehow, magically, each website is gonna generate a specific amount of money, all equal to each other, of course, that's what they tell you at least. And then if you have, say, one website making $100 a month, you just need 10 websites to get to $1,000 a month, right? It's that simple. I'm glad I got that out of my system. It's not actually that simple, because think of it this way. If you have one website, you have a whole bunch of things required to make that website profitable, right? You have the amount of time and effort required to, let's say, build the website itself, add content to that website, make sure that everything is optimized for conversions and search if you are doing SEO. Also creating products, offers, different things for that business. Now imagine having 10 times that amount of work. You've got to put in 10 times the amount of time, 10 times the amount of effort for just a marginal increase, all to get to this magical $1,000 a month figure, which actually, for the amount of work you're putting in, you would actually get paid more working at McDonald's. So, why do it? I think it's because these people like to sell courses which have this spammy approach where you just multiply these websites and, crowd the internet with all these crappy websites. But honestly, that is so 2008 and so 2000 and late, okay? So instead, what you should be doing is focusing on just one website, and this is called your authority site. The whole point of this is to build a brand for your business. Build something that people will recognize in the long term, so you're not constantly chasing your tail all of the time. You're not having to spread yourself too thin over all of these different projects. Also, each of them having their own overheads like domain name costs, hosting fees, software tools, and everything in between. Why not just have everything in one place, focus on one project, make it big? Okay, I don't know of any experts that start off with multiple websites and then magically become successful with those multiple websites. The best way to do things is to start off with one website, get that website profitable first, and then start considering having other websites after that, okay? Only when one thing is profitable should you be moving on to other things after that. Because here's the key, business is not about just multiplying some spammy crap. If you multiply 0, you're still gonna get 0, right? Instead, business is all about making something that people want to interact with, want to engage with, want to buy from, and scaling that one thing and doing it better and better and better, reaching more and more people over time, okay? So please do not make this mistake. Do not fall for this myth that you can just create something terrible, multiply it a bazillion times using automated software, and magically a whole bunch of money is gonna fall into your account. That does not exist. If it did exist, poverty wouldn't exist. You'd have people on the street just clicking buttons in magic software to clone these websites and get $1 per website and just be a millionaire, right? That just does not happen. It's not the way the internet works, it's not the way the world works, and it's not the way business works either. So hopefully this has helped you. If it has, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button below this video if you're watching on YouTube. If you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe using the subscribe button on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.